Welcome back, budget-conscious tech enthusiasts. If you're really hunting for maximum value in the smartphone market, the absolute best time to evaluate a phone isn't after the flashy marketing campaign drops. Nope, it's right when the leaks hit. And today we're looking at the highly anticipated Realme P4R 5G. A massive leak just dropped revealing retail boxes, specs, and a price tag that literally has everyone talking. We're going to build a comprehensive buying guide right here, right now, based on these leaked details to see if this device actually deserves your hard-earned cash. Okay, let's dive into this and separate the hype from the hardware. Here's our quick roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Decoding the price tag. 2. That massive battery and endless power. 3. The cooling chamber and performance. 4. The immersive display and colors. 5. A 50-megapixel camera review. And finally, 6. Our final SmartWire verdict. Let's get right to it. Section 1. Decoding the price tag. Sticker shock versus reality. Now, what's really interesting about this is that the absolute first thing any smart consumer looks at is the price. And honestly, when the leaked images of the Realme P4R 5G's retail box surfaced on social media, there was some serious sticker shock involved. I mean, there is a massive gap between the printed box price and the reality of the smartphone market. The leaked box clearly shows a maximum retail price, or MRP, of 44,999 rupees for the top-tier variant equipped with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. That number sounds terrifying for a budget-focused buyer, right? But here's where we need to apply some smart consumer logic. Manufacturers notoriously inflate the box MRP. Industry expectations based on this leak point to a much more palatable retail price, sitting comfortably in the 30,000 to 35,000 rupee range. So if you're budgeting for this phone, that 30K to 35K window is the reality you should actually be planning for. Section 2. Massive battery, endless power. Unplugged longevity. So if we're looking at a 30,000 to 35,000 rupee investment, the internal hardware really needs to justify it. 8,000, that is the milliampere hour capacity of the battery leaked for this device. To put that into perspective, most standard smartphones today hover right around the 5,000 mark. An 8,000 milliampere battery is literally a game changer for longevity. We are talking about genuine multi-day use without ever needing to even glance at a power outlet. If your primary goal is finding a phone that can survive heavy gaming, endless video streaming, or just super long days away from a charger, this number alone puts the P4R 5G right on the radar. But having a giant battery is totally useless if it takes you 12 hours to charge the thing. Thankfully, the leak confirms that Realme has paired this 8,000 milliampere behemoth with 45-watt fast charging support. This is a brilliant inclusion. It ensures that when you finally do manage to drain that massive battery, you aren't tethered to the wall all day waiting for it to refill. 45 watts is really the perfect sweet spot for a budget device, keeping your downtime to an absolute minimum. Section 3. Cooling chamber and performance. Beating the heat. Moving beyond the battery, let's talk about performance. To get the most out of the leaked 4GB and 6GB RAM configurations, especially during heavy use, you absolutely need robust thermal management. The leaked specs reveal a 5,300 square millimeter airflow vapor cooling chamber. So the crucial point is this. When a phone gets too hot, the processor automatically slows itself down to prevent damage. We call that thermal throttling. By including a vapor cooling chamber this large, the P4R 5G is actively dissipating that heat, and that translates directly into sustained lag-free performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking across a bunch of different apps, this hardware ensures your phone stays cool and responsive, rather than turning into a frustrating, laggy hand warmer. Section 4. Immersive display and colors. The user experience. Let's zoom out from the internal hardware for a second and look at the user-facing features. Like, how does the phone actually look and feel when you're interacting with it? Well, the display specs we're seeing are quite fascinating. We've got a massive 6.8-inch screen, which honestly pairs perfectly with that big battery for media consumption. While it is an HD plus resolution display, it boasts an incredible 144 Hz high refresh rate. This means scrolling through social media or navigating the interface is going to feel buttery smooth. Add in a peak brightness of 1200 nits, and you definitely won't have any trouble reading your screen outdoors in bright sunlight. Aesthetically, the leak suggests the phone will drop in 3 premium finishes: silver glare, titanium glare, and lavender glare, giving budget buyers some really sleek options to choose from. However, physics always wins, right? When you pack an 8,000 milliamp battery and a giant vapor cooling chamber into a phone, you gotta put it somewhere. The leech dimensions show a thickness of 8.88 millimeters and a weight of 224 grams. So yeah, carrying this phone means it's going to feel a bit like a brick in your pocket. But for the smart consumer, an extra few grams of weight is a small and frankly entirely worthwhile trade-off for multi-day battery life and top-tier thermal cooling.
Section 5. 50-megapixel camera review. Optics breakdown.
For any budget-conscious buyer, the camera is often the ultimate deciding factor. You want maximum value, which means you need photos that look great without breaking the bank. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what Realme is prioritizing. You've got your 2-megapixel secondary lens and the expected 16-megapixel front camera for your selfies and video calls. But the heavy lifter here is that 50-megapixel primary main sensor. In the $30K to $35K price range, a solid 50-megapixel shooter is exactly what you want. It's designed to capture high-quality, crisp, everyday photos, ensuring that you aren't sacrificing basic photography needs just to get that bigger battery. Section 6. Final smart buyer verdict. Is it worth the wait? We've looked at the price, the massive battery, the cooling tech, the screen, and the cameras. Now it's time to bring all these leaked specs together for our final smart buyer verdict. And here is the twist that every tech shopper needs to know. When you line up these leaked specifications, a very clear picture emerges. The upcoming Realme P4R 5G appears to be almost identical under the hood to the recently launched Realme 16T 5G in India. You are essentially looking at a carbon copy of the internal hardware, just wrapped up in a brand new, bold exterior design featuring those new glare colorways. Which leaves us with this vital question. If the internals basically mirror a phone that's already on the market, is waiting for the P4R's visual redesign really worth your money? I mean, if you absolutely love the new lavender or titanium aesthetics, it might be. But if you just want that 8,000 milliamp hour battery and the 144 Hz screen right now, you might already have options available to you. That is the power of looking at the leaks, guys. It puts you, the buyer, right back in control. Take these specs, weigh them against your budget, and make the smart choice. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I'll see you in the next one.